1/3 of Indians over 65 and 2/3 of Indians over 75 have a hearing loss challenge at varying degrees.
आप डिटेक्शन बट आप अडॉप्शन में भी हेल्प कर रहे हैं.
हमारा hearing imbalance होता है, how uncomfortable we feel and वो temporary होता है. Now imagine कि किसी को permanently that level of hearing is subdued.
Hello everyone, I am Shahid, your host. Welcome to the first episode of अनुभव, जहां हम बात करेंगे सीनियर्स के हेल्थ, उनके एक्सपीरियंसेस और उनके स्टोरीज के बारे में. टुडे हम बात करने वाले हैं हियरिंग लॉस सॉल्यूशन पे विद फाउंडर ऑफ अंतारा, मिस तारा सिंह वचानी. हाय तारा, वेलकम टू द शो.
Hi Shahid, thank you for having me.
So तारा, while we were growing up, we have seen कि हमारे सीनियर्स में ये एजिंग प्रॉब्लम्स में के साथ साथ हियरिंग लॉस आ जाती है. How big is this problem in the society today?
I mean, I think हम सबको intuitively तो मालूम है कि हमारे घर में अगर हम देखें तो we all know somebody who has a hearing problem.
Absolutely.
तो anecdotally तो you can imagine how much of an issue this is. But statistically आप देखें तो 1/3 of Indians over 65 and 2/3 of Indians over 75 have a hearing loss challenge at varying degrees. But you can imagine what those numbers are, and lakhs of seniors in our country are not necessarily getting the support that they need in spite of now even knowing that they have this issue.
Wow, that's actually a very scary number to look at. But what are the problems that emotional problems that seniors face because of such a loss in sensory ear?
You know, आप देखें तो human beings want to be included. They want a sense of relevance. अब वो कैसे आता है? That comes through conversation. That comes through belonging in an ecosystem. You spend time with your loved ones and you converse. जब आपकी hearing में problem हो, the level of isolation that you feel, and that isolation then leads to levels of anxiety and depression. It's a very tough situation to be in. And जब वो depression और anxiety आ जाती है, तब उसको handle करना is a whole other ball game altogether.
Wow, that's actually very concerning. And are there any other risks also associated with hearing loss?
I mean, आप देखें, at our age when we have a hearing infection और हमारा hearing imbalance होता है, how uncomfortable we feel and वो temporary होता है. Now imagine कि किसी को permanently that level of hearing is subdued, your balance is off, your spatial awareness is off, and those then can actually lead to falls. Which is a whole other category of intervention that gets needed as you age. So there are a lot of issues that come from hearing loss.
And we have all known that AGs by Antara is also helping seniors to actually resolve such issues. So what are the solutions that AGs by Antara has come up with?
So specifically for hearing loss, our vision and idea is to be able to address it very early on. So we do a free hearing assessment the minute somebody feels that they are having some struggles hearing. We want to make that assessment as comfortable and easy for them, because that's half the battle. One is to know that yes, there is a hearing loss sort of issue that is creeping up. So there are free assessments we do. We then personalize and customize a hearing aid for you, because there's no one size fits all in this matter. That personalized customization happens. We then provide you with the hearing aid on a trial basis, and we then handhold you till you get extremely comfortable with the actual product. हमारी जो vertical है AGZ, we specifically target the conditions that have become challenging in your day-to-day life. We are coming up with a very holistic hearing loss solution.
तारा, आपने customization के बारे में बोला. Can